All right, in this video, we are going to turn this 2-axle propane bottle into a 4-axle. Way easier than you think. All you need is a fancy screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver just in case, maybe a splash of glue because we like it. First thing we're going to do is remove the rear axle assembly from our bottle. Now, do not be surprised if you have to come in here with this flathead screwdriver and gently pry that up and off. It's not uncommon for this front pin to be pretty darn tight, so you may have to come and pry at the back and then pry at the front to get this thing off. If you're not worried about ruining it or breaking it, you know, you can be a little bit more rough with it. I like to preserve these so I can either resell them or use them as I wish. After you've painted your 4-axle assembly, now remember, this is going to come to you gray, so you'll be able to paint it any color you choose. And all I do is clean this with rubbing alcohol, wipe off the excess, let it air dry, prime and paint with whatever colors I choose. I use discount store paint on this one. Yeah, that's about it. All we're going to do now is test fit that together, and it's going to work. Now we'll replace that screw. Voila, you just turned your 2-axle propane bottle into a 4. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? And you're finished. Let's go take it on the layout and have a look.